Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 9th of June 2024. I'll be going over my weekly prediction for Tesla based on the option chain analysis for the expiry on the 14th. So CE went down, PE went down, that's negative. Quantity is high for CE, that's negative. Change is higher for CE, that's negative. Short squeeze is high for CE, that's positive. PCR is below 1, that's negative. Implied volatility is higher. Historical volatility has went lower, so that's a negative and a positive respectively. RSI is lower, that's negative. No divergence, that's still negative. Both ADX went down, so that's negative. ATR went down, so that's positive. Both EMAs are down. VWAP is down, so that's negative. Pivot point is down, that's negative. Candlestick is still a doji, that's neutral. Overall, the support is at 165. Previous weeks was 170. Resistance is 185. Previous weeks was 200. And we predict that Tesla goes down based on the option chain. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.